During the fight week at UFC 263, UFC superstar Ned Diaz revealed that it was his second last fight on UFC contract and he hasn't signed the extension. So that's the reason that his next fight that he has been calling out with Vicente Luque has not been booked yet. And Vicente Luque manager Ali Abdelaziz recently appeared in an interview and said that that fight is not happening because Nate is not resigning with UFC, and that's the holdup. We want that fight. We are interested in it because Nate Diaz is a big name and Vicente Luque is a great fighter. He's not somebody who is backing down from a fight. He will fight him anywhere, anytime. And the same sentiment were echoed by Vicente Luque when he responded to Ned Diaz call out that if anything is wrong with Vicente Luque. And it isn't something new, like it happens with UFC all the time that whenever their big names they end their contract during signing the new fight, they make them sign 4 or 5 fight deals so that they can hold them off. The same thing happened with Jorge Masvidal, like during his fight with Kamaru Usman at UFC Fight Island, there was hold up going on, and at the last moment, he was given the right money, and then he fought. Then he signed the contract extension where he signed the fight deal for 7 to 8 fights. And if you see recently, George St. Pierre was willing to fight Oscar De La Hoya for a exhibition boxing match, but it didn't happen because GSP was still on UFC contract at that time, and that held him off from fighting him. And he was publicly very disappointed about that because he mentioned Oscar De La Hoya is a legend, and I would have loved this opportunity to go toe to toe with one of the greatest boxers. It is still not clear, and there isn't any update that whether Ned Diaz has signed a new contract or if there is any negotiation going on, or maybe we can see the next 2 or 3 year hiatus from Ned Diaz, which we saw between 2016 to 2019 after his fight with Conor and when he returned to fight Anthony Pettis. Ali Abdelaziz, Vicente Luque manager, also mentioned one more fact that Ned does not UFC want to sign Ned Diaz, but he do not want to sign with UFC because it's good for UFC, but it's not good for Ned Diaz. And he was mentioning the fact that yes, Ned Diaz is a big superstar. He makes a lot of money, he brings a lot of attention and the pay-per-view number, but he gets dominated in the fight. He takes a lot of damage. So he was mentioning about that. In the long term, it won't be good for his health. And Ned Diaz has been eyeing on the celebrity boxing side, where he knows that given his boxing skill, he can make a lot of money without going through severe damage or taking too much punishment, which often happens in MMA. So let's hope that Ned resolve this issue and he gets to fight or do what he decides. And that's it for this video. I'll keep updating more, so please like and